Hi everyone, it's Leanne. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. I recently did a purchase on Lawn Fawn and picked up some new supplies, so I'm going to show you what I purchased. I just got this in the mail. I did take a little peek inside the envelope, but I haven't pulled anything out yet. I did a purchase recently between Simon Says Stamp and Lawn Fawn website, and whatever supplies one didn't have, I purchased from the other. So I do have another haul video coming soon, so if you want to be sure not to miss that, then hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the bell, you will get an email as soon as that video is released. Now, my reason for purchasing from Lawn Fawn, as you know, I'm a huge Lawn Fawn fan, and I've been really inspired by what they're doing with their new stamping products this season, and I was really excited to pick up some of their supplies. So let's take a look inside this bag, because I am super excited to pull this stuff out. So the first thing I purchased that's hanging around the envelope here, I'll pull it out first, is some lawn trimmings, they're called. So this is cord to wrap around cards. It's really fun to put this in the spine of a card and have a little bow sticking around the corner, or you can just use it as any sort of trim or decoration. And yellow is my favorite color, so I was definitely sure to pick up that color. Another thing I haven't tried yet, but I'm excited to try, are the ink pads from Lawn Fawn. And so I picked up this set, and I believe this is the Farmer's Market Cube Pack. And so these are acid-free, fast-drying, dye-based inks. So I'm really excited to give these a try too. I thought these colors looked really pretty on the samples that I saw. And this includes the colors Forget-Me-Not, which is this purpley blue, and then raspberry, cilantro, and juice box. So I'm excited to give these a try. I haven't tried the Lawn Fawn ink pads yet. Now I'm going to pull out the rest because it's all nicely put together, and we'll take a look at what's in here. Just a note about these inks before we move on. These are dye-based inks, so that is similar to the Memento Tuxedo Black ink that you see me stamping with a lot. And so these should be Copic friendly, being dye-based. And I think that these will be really nice, not only for stamping sentiments and Copic, like stamps I want a Copic color, but also doing decorative stamps like whole images, maybe solid leaves or solid elements in different colors. So looking at everything here, they always include a really sweet note. This is "Thank you so much, Leanne," from Debbie. So thank you, Debbie, for packaging my order so nicely. And it comes with a little thank you stamp inside. So I do have one from a previous order that says Danke, which is thank you in German. So I'm really excited about that too. Now my order is all tied up with some of their lawn trimmings, which is nice because then I can save this for another project. So one of the things I picked up here is the stitched simple wavy borders. If you've seen other videos where I've made kind of water themes, I've been using the cloud borders upside down as water, but I decided to finally pick up some of these, and they come in the different ripple sizes. So it's really nice for creating depth or layers in the scene with those different spaced out arcs for the waters. I also picked up this sentiment pack, and this is called Scripty Sayings. And these are just, I always find that I'm kind of lacking in just a generic, general sentiment sometimes. There's a lot of nice sentiments that come with stamp sets, but they're usually themed to those stamp sets. And so I just thought that this was a nice pack that kind of encompassed everything, all the generic sayings, especially happy birthday. That one, I always am struggling to find a birthday stamp. So I'm excited about this, and I love the little scripts. I picked up a paper pack as well, and this I believe is new from the new season, and so this is the petite size, and it is the Spiffy Speckles. So as usual, their papers are always double-sided. I'm just going to cut this open so I can show it. So we'll take a look at the papers here, and they're so pretty. So there's the white color, and then there's the reverse with the solid background colors as well. So I thought that these would be really nice just as background papers, and I just love the speckled texture that these would give to a card. It looks like there's some samples included from Lawn Fawn, so this is a surprise I wasn't expecting. These are really sweet. I love this one. It's kind of like a knitted stitch, and it's double-sided, which would be nice for a holiday or a winter card. I love this plaid as well, and I like this. I like the diamond patterns, so it does have the reverse. And then this is another stitched sample. This looks like a Christmas sweater or a winter sweater. I love this one. This is so pretty. So that's really nice that I got those extra free sample papers I wasn't expecting. And then this is the main reason that I did my Lawn Fawn order. This is what has crazy inspired me. I'm so excited about this, and I'm really excited to make cards with this. And so this is called Center Picture Window Card. So this is going to create a 3D card, and I can do, it'll do, I believe it does like a fold out, like a tri-fold, and then it has a little pop-up window that I can put an image in. So I'm going to make some cards with this. I'm super excited about this. On the back here, there's a sample of the card that you can create. So this is the picture window card, and so it creates this little 3D area that it's kind of like a shadow box, and then you have these side panels. And so this is the style of card that can be created with this die cut. I'm really excited. And so I thought that these panels would be really fun to do the sentiments on, or write my little messages to my card recipients. And then you can decorate the outsides as well. So that's kind of what this is going to be like. Now, this is the last thing in my order. I do have more Lawn Fawn supplies coming from Simon Says Stamp, including a stamp set that I'm eager to use with this building kit. So be sure to watch for those videos, because I'm super excited to get into making cards with this die cut for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little peek at my Lawn Fawn haul. I'm so excited with all my new products, and I'm excited to get my next order too, because there will be some more Lawn Fawn things in there. And Lawn Fawn is my favorite. I'm so excited, as I've mentioned, probably like 5,000 times now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you're notified as I post more videos to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.